Hello everyone, I'm Lehman with MI Windows and Doors. Have you ever gone to open your window on a nice summer day and the sash just refuses to stay open? Well, in most cases, the culprit is usually the balance. So today, we're going to demonstrate how to replace a balance using our 1650 double hung. First thing you want to do is remove the lower sash. Remove the foam air baffle. If you have balance covers like our 1650, you need to remove them and set them aside because you will replace them later. Then, using a pretty hefty flathead screwdriver, you want to insert it into the shoe right here. Make sure you have a firm grip because it can shoot up really quickly. You want to rotate it 90 degrees and slide it up. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver or screw gun, remove the screw that holds the balance clip in place. Slide the balance to the top of the frame, and using a pair of nippers, cut the vinyl just above and just below the balance. Then, using a utility knife, cut and remove a small notch of vinyl from the balance track. And you're going to slide the balance up to your opening. Using your flathead screwdriver, come up from underneath the balance and lightly twist to help the balance get free. And once the balance is removed, you want to just file this down as smooth as possible. On the new balance, as you can see, there's an L and an R for right and left. You want to make sure that the spring is facing you on the interior side of the window. Position your new balance into the notch and use a small mallet to tap it into place. And you want to slide your new balance down into position so that the top hole of the balance clip lines up with the hole right there. All right, and then you're going to install the original hardware. All right, then, using your flathead screwdriver, you want to install it into the shoe, and you want to slide your balance just about down to where this sash stop is, and then lock it into place. Reinstall your foam air baffle, and then reinstall your balance cover. Just pops right into place. And then you can repeat the process on the other side. And finally, we're ready to reinstall our lower sash. Now, to make sure that the pivot bars are seated properly, tilt your window all the way in before closing it up. And our installation is finished. This method of balance replacement will work for most windows we produce here at MI. We use the 1650 double hung specifically for this demonstration so that we can show you every step. Many of our new construction products already have a notch at the top, so no cutting is necessary. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.